Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I am giving you demonstration how to create assignment and add topic in this assignment in Google Classroom. So let's start as a demonstration. First of all, enter your Gmail account and click here, Classroom. And look at this. Earliest video I explained how to create a class. In this episode I am add the assignment here. So look at this. This is a class 10th math. Your classwork is there. You click here and then create assignment. Number 1 options are there. You click there and here you can add title here 001, here story elements. You can add here instructions also, and next some options are there for all student, point 10 due to, and topic. Here you can add here topic, which topic related this assignment. So I can add here story elements, and then everything is done. So assign, wait couple of seconds. So look at this assignment is come here. I create assignment, this one. It's very simple how to create assignment and add a topic. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.